In this concise tutorial, I will demonstrate the process of sending videos as documents within the WhatsApp application. By utilizing this method, the original quality of the image can be preserved without any compression. To commence, launch the WhatsApp application and select the Chats option. Subsequently, tap on the specific conversation where you intend to transmit the video. Locate and tap the plus button situated at the bottom left corner of the screen, followed by selecting Document. Within the Document section, choose the Choose Photo or Video option. Navigate and select the desired video that you wish to send as a document. Once selected, tap on the Send button positioned at the bottom right corner of the screen. As demonstrated, the video has been successfully dispatched as a document. By employing this straightforward technique, you can effortlessly share high-resolution videos with your colleagues and acquaintances via WhatsApp without compromising the video quality.